What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I have missed you dearly. It's been a couple weeks since I have uploaded, and for very, very good reason. I'm in the middle of a big move, and I do think I mentioned it in a previous video. Oh, it has been so stressful and crazy and just all-consuming. That's the best way to put it. I literally have not even had my filming equipment. I didn't even know where it was packed away at. I am in my new house, I am in my new filming space, but it is all a hot mess express. We are not quite like 100% in this house, but I had to come here to film because a lot of my lights and everything were in this house today. So I will probably give you guys a little tour once everything is where it's supposed to be. Right now, I don't even know where my brain is. So even though this is not the normal content for my channel, I did want to do a little PR boxing for you. I have been just kind of collecting the PR packages I've been getting over the last couple of weeks. I do want to say before we get started that if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. Join the Glam Fam here on YouTube. I do not take getting PR for granted. I still am blown away that companies actually send me products. So I want to say thank you to any and every company that has ever sent me any PR. It is not expected, and it is very, very much appreciated. So with that being said, if you want to see the packages that I've gotten over the last few weeks and kind of dive in, then please keep watching. Right. So I have gone ahead and kind of unwrapped some of the packages. Anytime I get a package that is this color, I know it's from Pixi. This one is from Pixi Beauty, and this is the Pixi Skin Treat Vitamin C Daily Dose of Skin Brightening. There is 5 power-packed skin treats in here. I absolutely love anything that is a vitamin C for my face. It is a holy grail product of mine. I use vitamin C on my skin every single morning. So let's see. We've got the Vitamin C Caviar Balm. Ooh, that sounds really nice. Vitamin C Lotion. This is a brightening moisturizer. And if you didn't know, vitamin C definitely helps to brighten the skin. Vitamin C Serum. I love me a good face serum. It looks like we've got some vitamin C tonic. Pixi's Glow Tonic Toner is one of my all-time favorite toners. So excited to try out the vitamin C toner. And then we have their vitamin C Juice Cleanser. Ooh, it has orange flower water in it, brightening and cleansing. Thank you so much, Pixi Beauty. Next package that I received, I actually already opened the box, but this is from Darshana. They have an Indian oil that is incredible. Oh my gosh, as a pre-poo, or even adding it to the end of your styling routine for added shine to the hair. They have I think this is a new and improved natural moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. And it says that the shampoo has increased slip for richer wet feel and better wet combing. I have used their shampoo and conditioner in the past, and I really enjoyed it. So really excited about this. They actually sent me their Indian oil too. This is their natural Indian hair oil. It's for moisture, condition, and smooth. It has omega 369 in it. And we have a package from Diva Curl. It's feeling kind of light. Looks like maybe we have a bag of some sort. Let's see. Okay. We have this nice little plastic bag. This is cute for the beach or the pool. My curls are full of secrets, and it says Devacurl on it. This is actually the perfect little bag to carry all of my little Devacurl products to the pool for the summer. Am I the only one that feels like summer is flying by? This next package, this is from the Innate Life. #hair goals begins here. We're thrilled to be sharing some of our favorite hair care products with you. Give your hair the nourishment it craves with a line that's natural, non-toxic, and organic. We're passionate about herbs and botanicals, giving you the chance to experience what all natural should really feel like. Thank you so much, Melissa and the team at Innate Life. Scalp treatment for intense hydration and repair. Then we've got their herbal hair mask. Intensive once-a-week hair mask has the power to naturally transform hair into a silky dream. That sounds like a dream. And then they also sent over their rose hair elixir to help tame frizz and add shine. It says that it has 15 organic oils in it. Wow. Some of the oils that are listed here is avocado oil, sweet almond oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, flaxseed oil, pumpkin, macadamia nut, argan. I mean, it just goes on and on. Wow. Have you tried anything from the Innate Life? Let me know in the comments. Moving on to the next package. Let me see what I've got over here. The next package I have here is from Rodan and Fields, and the top actually broke off. Happy first day of summer, Brandy. Obviously you see that I've been holding these boxes for a while. It says summertime is the perfect season to showcase your natural glow, and our Radiant Defense Perfecting Liquid can help you do just that. Oh, this tinted multitasker product instantly perfects the skin to deliver a radiant, healthy looking complexion while protecting your skin from the sun and environmental aggressors. Let's see what we have here. Instant makeup removing wipes. Radiant Defense Perfecting Liquid Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Let's see what this is. Flawlessly perfects and color corrects. Oh, this is espresso, so that's definitely not gonna be my color. I'm gonna assume that I'm probably the shade beige too. Let's just check this out. I just wanna see what exactly this does. It's kind of liquidy. Oh. So that was just a tiny little drop, but look at the difference in my hands. It definitely like helped to even out the skin, hide the veins. This is nice. Thank you so much, Rodan and Fields and Molly. You are amazing. Moving on to the next package while I start to sweat my hair out. This is from Sally Hansen. Oh, this is not nail polish. So here is what we have. Gorgeous summer skin is easier than ever thanks to Sally Hansen with the new Airbrush Legs Illuminator. Use anywhere you want to glow. You'll be beach ready with the new ready to use Insta Wax strips for face and bikini, now infused with coconut and marula oil for a smooth foundation. This actually has their instant wax strips. No warming or rubbing required. Results last up to 8 weeks, and this is for your face and bikini. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get to wax my stash off. These are, it looks like, you know, the body illuminators that are just like all the rage right now. It comes in 2 shades. This is Golden Glow, and then we've got Nude Glow. It comes with a little roller. How interesting is that? Maybe I should read the directions first. Here is what I'm gonna do. Hopefully you guys can see this. This is the Nude Glow. I can't really see what's happening, but let me try it on my arm here. Oh, now I can see it. Okay. That looks very, very pretty. This doesn't really add any color, it doesn't look like, or not to my skin tone anyway. But it definitely adds like a really pretty sheen to the skin. This one might add a little color. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That adds a nice little bronzy look to the skin. Oh, I like these. I'm so into the like body glows right now. So excited about that. Let me see if I can find a wipe. In this chaos of a mess, I have no idea where my wipes are. I'll go ahead and get some use out of my Rodan and Fields Instant Makeup Remover Wipe. All right, my next package here is from Revlon. I love me some purple. I'm like obsessed with this color purple right now. It says slick up your look this summer with new Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish. Saturated color with a polished, lacquered look. And it has vitamin E, shea butter, leaf extract, creamy mango, and whipped vanilla fragrance. This is what the packaging looks like for these. Super adorable. The colors look really, really gorgeous. These aren't even all of them, but wow, these are actually so, so beautiful. Should I try one right now? I feel like a lot of these are like super bright colors. I'm thinking let's try this one. This is number 920 Power Up. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. I can't really see. Go for the, whoa. Oh my gosh. That is some color. Oh my goodness. This stuff is pigmented, but I love it. You guys, let me zoom you in. Oh, I'm feeling that. It's kind of like you can tell when you put it on, it's gonna stick and stay where you put it. This feels really, really nice. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a lip swatch video on these. Thank you so, so much, Revlon. 2 more packages left, and the next package is from Devacurl again. Just here we have have the Devacurl Diva Fresh Scalp and Curl Revitalizer. Refresh and extend your curls. Of course, all of Devacurl's products are 100% sulfate, paraben, silicone free. This revitalizing spray addresses the needs of both the hair and scalp without removing the oils curls need or leaving behind residue they don't. Fights odor, refreshes curls, and helps to soothe scalp for 24 hours. The fact that it helps to soothe the scalp is what I am super excited about. A lot of times I feel like my curls could maybe last an extra day or two, but my scalp is like, gets a little irritated and itchy after a few days. So I am hoping that this really helps my wash days to last just a tiny bit longer. If you guys want me to do like a full dedicated video on this product, then definitely let me know. Now we are moving on to our last and final package of the day. If you guys have stuck with me this long, you deserve a hand clap. And this package, I have been so excited to open up because it just looks so fun. This is from Wet n Wild. This totally brings me back to my childhood, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is their new limited edition Pac-Man makeup collection. I'm like feeling so nostalgic right now because Pac-Man was my jam. This is the whole reason that I would go into an arcade, was to play Pac-Man. And honestly, if I ever go in an arcade right now, it's to play Pac-Man. Here is what the little collection is looking like. This is what it is looking like. We have their Wet n Wild High Score Blush Palette. This is just so adorable. Pac-Man Game Over Color Palette. How cute is this? Bonus Fruit Lip Scrub and Lip Balm. This is the scrub right here, and then this is the balm. Power Pellet Bronzer. It's like these little pellets. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Power Pellets Highlighter. Again, it's got the little like pellets in there. And we have 4 of their limited edition Ghost Glosses. I just think the whole collection is so stinking adorable. I'm really excited to just dive into this and try out all of these products. We have come to the end of this video. Again, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart to every single company that sends me PR. It's such a blessing to me and I don't take it for granted. So thank you so much. That is it. Thank you for allowing me to take a little break as I transition into my new home. I just appreciate you guys' support. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.